Some people I delegate, if I am 100%, they will always be 75%. Like training, I really, really love training sa business namin. But then, if I will do the training myself, matakaw sa oras ang training. Tapos yung iba aalis, yung iba may drama sa buhay and all. So, mawawala. So, magte-train na naman ako ng magte-train. So, now what I did was, I got a trainer, I trained the trainer to train. But that trainer will also not be as good as I am. But okay na. As long as tumatakbo, okay na. So, sasaluhin ko na lang yung 25%. Pero yung 75%, na-handle niya na. Tapos, as years go by, what I will notice is, yung 75% niya ay magiging 100% to the point na magiging 120, 140. Mas marami pa siyang experience na ma-accumulate compared to me. The first attitude in delegation is to trust. Trust that someday gagaling din siya and also accept that umpisa lang yan.